So welcome beautiful people here again. Welcome to my channel Python, and today we will be importing the music to our application and we will be playing it. So let's get started from pygame. Import mixer. So after you imported it, you need to load your music. So mixer dot music dot load the name of your music. So I have one which is music dot wave, and now you play it. Same stuff, mixer dot music dot play, and you put a -1 to make it to loop it, play it on loop like always continuously. So let's run. So let's play it, and as you can see my music is playing. So now you can also play sounds, and it's not the same way. So for sound, what we are going to do is we are going to define a function so that it doesn't play continuously. So let's say def bomb. Let's just call it bomb. I believe you know how to define function. So here what we do is we define a variable. Let's just say su equals to mixer.sound. The name of the sound. I already have one. Grenade. I know we are not trying to build anything here, we are just doing. So here we call the sound dot play, the su dot play. So what does this mean? That every time you call this function, this sound will be played. So let's get to the while loop and set an input. So let me just copy this. So let me say the space button. Space. Okay. So what are we saying? Each time I press the space button, I need to call that function. And what's the name of the function? Bomb. So it's as simple as that. So let me run my app. And the song plays, the sound plays. So that is how you can import sound. You can play music, play sound in your in your Python application. That is as simple as that. So thank you for sticking around. Have a blessed day, and click the subscription button.